Kraken, how to deposit USD. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can deposit USD on Kraken, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to deposit USD on Kraken, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Kraken application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now when you come to the account option, you should be able to find an option that says deposit. If you don't find it, you first have to verify your identity, so make sure that you verify your identity, and after that you will find the deposit option over here. So you can either come to the portfolio tab and then just go ahead and view your transactions, and then once you come to portfolio you should be able to see the deposit option. Then select the deposit button, select the currency you want to deposit and click on it, and select the fund directly tab, enter the amount you want to deposit and click on add new account, and then you'll be able to successfully deposit USD into your Kraken account. That's all it takes to deposit USD on Kraken. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.